Hey, this is Chuck from the marketing team at Solston, and I'm going to show you how to create marketing messaging that resonates in 5 steps using our product, Alaris. Alaris is the first psychologically intelligent AI for personalized content creation. It uses our psychological database, representing 3.4 billion people globally, with data on hundreds of thousands of brands and interests and media properties, so you can create content really fast. So let's get started. Today, I'm going to try marketing a mobile puzzle game to our Disney audience, but you can try marketing any product to any brand's audience with Alaris. First step is to identify the psychological makeup of your target audience. We'll use this prompt to get started. You can find all of these prompts in the blog post or description of the YouTube video, wherever you're watching this video. You can see that Alaris quickly identifies 6 psychological segments in the Disney audience, represented down here. And then starts telling us the personality traits of this audience and some key takeaways. The next step is to understand their core values and emotional drivers. We could do this for any of these 6 psychological segments, but today I'm just going to show you how to do it with the entire Disney audience. We'll use this prompt to do that. You can see that Alaris starts identifying the core motivations and emotional drivers of this audience, what motivates them, their deep needs, and how they're fulfilled by mobile puzzle games, and a summary for marketers and game designers of this output. Next, we're going to determine this audience's language patterns and communication preferences. We're going to use this prompt to do that. Alaris has identified tone and style, vocabulary that will resonate, information delivery preferences for this audience is based on their psychology, and a summary table for suggestions of how to use the language and what to avoid. The next step is to craft messaging that bridges their current state to desired outcomes. We're going to use this prompt to do that. You can see that Alaris suggests an effective narrative structure from situation to solution for this audience based on its psychological traits. And also tells you why this will work for this audience. And some example messaging, putting this into action. Finally, we need to validate this messaging against this audience's objections and decision-making processes. We'll use this prompt to do that. I think this is the most incredible step of this process. Using this psychological data, Alaris outlines likely objections, in quotes, based on their psychological traits, preemptive messaging strategies based on these objections, and tells you why this will work. Then it recommends some next steps. So you can try this workflow with your brand, and any product you're trying to market to any audience. Again, you can find this workflow, these prompts, in the blog post or YouTube description where you're watching this video. Try it out. Alaris is free to try, so let me know how it goes in the comments.